This concrete driveway looks tired, but with a little prep and OptiSeal, it'll be protected and like new again. First, we cleaned the surface using Sealant to remove grease and oil, then pressure washed everything to lift dirt and stains. After letting it dry, we swept away loose debris so the surface was clean and dry. We poured OptiSeal into our BioSpan sprayer. No mixing needed, it's ready to use. Spray in overlapping strokes to get even coverage. You'll see it soak into the concrete. No puddling. We let it dry and blocked off the area for curing. In just a few hours, the surface is ready for light use. The difference is clear and lasting. Now this driveway is sealed and protected with an eco-friendly solution. Shop OptiSeal on Amazon or biospantech.com.